Hey guys, today I wanted to do a little video on dust caps. Someone was asking how stiff the dust cap was on the Scar sub, and people are saying it's flimsy. Well, I mean, it's definitely not the strongest cap, especially once it's been dented. It dents pretty easily. The Destroyers, people have said that the dust caps on these are weak, but they are not. So I'm confused. NVX dust cap, pretty decent. Rockville K9, flimsy. K6, it's actually stiffer than the K9. Yeah, let's go take a look around. Dark audio cap, rock solid. Another dark audio. I mean, that's pretty dang strong. And flex the whole cone with the dust cap. Alpine Type X. So, a lot of people give Alpine crap. Well, rock solid. Sundown. Eh. I mean, there's some stiffness there, but it's really not much better than our K6 over there. V1 of the Scar ZVX. Very soft. NVX. Audio Q. Super soft. Pioneer Premier. Rock frickin' solid. Kenwood. And no, that thing actually has some flex to it. But yeah, there's a lot of really nice subs that the dust caps are not very hard. DD. Once the dust cap's dented, it's just floppy. Sundown LCS. So, I got a little video of the FI carbon cap also that is like super soft. I got that pinned up there. What? Y'all getting wrecked by some Sony Explodes. Come on now. Seriously? Wow. That's got a stiffer cap than a DD or a Sundown or a Scar. Just think about that. Beautiful JBL cap. Rock solid. EMF lowballer. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, I think you guys get the point anyways. Not all caps are created equal. Hey, look at that. It's got a little squish to it, but still. That's 2003 Walmart special. And there's caps around here from companies that people recommend that are worse, softer than that. So there's lots of reasons for why you might want a softer dust cap or a lighter dust cap or a stronger, stiffer dust cap. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.